Alright, so welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pavoni espresso machine. We installed a new gauge and we just recently heated it up, and so now it's going to come up to pressure pretty fast. Um, the pressure stat on these is often very sensitive, and so usually you want to have it positioned somewhere between 0.75 bar and 1 bar. And when I was adjusting the pressure stat, I was able to get it to 0.75, as you'll see. But I tried to get a little bit closer to 1, but it just wouldn't go. So when I went higher, or when I tried to get it to go higher, then it just went way over pressure when I just went a little tiny turn. Um, so we'll stay at 0.75 bar, which is actually what they're set at the factory. Um, like actually technically between 0.75 and 1. When I asked them what the tolerance is, they say 0.75. When I asked La Pavoni what the tolerance is, they say between 0.75 and 1. And that'll also help keep the head a little bit cooler, which is good because these heads really do overheat, especially at 1 bar or hotter. Um, and and we still get nice strong steam, as you can see. Nice strong steam. And I'll just let it cycle up one more time. And then it drops. It hits its point at 0.75 exactly. So thank you for testing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.